Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Calangute police station immediately responded to that disturbance, and on the spot the staff of Calangute police station led by PI Rapos, they apprehended one criminal by the name of Tarzan Parsekar, who is from Nagwa. Later on it was learned that there were three other criminals who had come here for creating this disturbance. Immediately a team under PI Rapos was dispatched to Pendem police station area, where it was found that their location could be. In late night operation, the staff apprehended all three criminal persons who were involved and wanted in that case. An FIR is registered under 326 IPC and also under Arms Act. Further investigation and recovery of weapons is ongoing, and we will take strict action. There is zero tolerance to these kind of criminal elements who are disturbing peace. It is understood that they have other cases also, and we will take strict legal action against all of them. We have made up our minds, we have consulted PP and the PI, and we are going to take action so that such things are not tolerated ever again.